You know what? Because I'm the bad guy, and I wanted to make sure bitches knew that the bad guy was here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is installing this 14-inch deep wave light brown lace wig from Tinashiehair. I've already cleaned my forehead with some rubbing alcohol and applied the bald cap. Now I'm just sizing the wig up to my head and getting rid of any extra lace. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys the wickedest trick I learned on how to correct discoloration caused to the lace after applying it to white glue, which is glue that hasn't fully dried and turned clear. So make sure to stay to the end to find out how I did it. Before applying glue, I'm just getting rid of any extra hair to customize the lace to my hairline. When cutting the lace, please do not cut the lace in a straight line. Make sure to cut it kind of zigzagged or curved. That way, it will be seamless. Now I'm repeating the same process and adding 3 layers of glue to any parts that haven't been stuck down. Right here, I'm continuing to make the same error that I've been making throughout the video by placing the lace on white glue. You must wait till the glue is clear before applying it. But if you do make the same mistake as me, at least you'll know how to fix it. So this is why you have to wait for the glue to turn clear before applying the lace, because now you can see white lines on my lace and that's the glue. But here's how we correct it. You'll need your foundation or concealer and an eyebrow blending brush with the smallest brush you have basically. I like to mix Got2b spray with my foundation just so that it can like cancel out any oils or anything that's in the foundation and make it more sticky, if that makes sense. I don't know if it works. It's just a myth that I created in my head that it just makes everything blend better. Most products used in this video, if not all, were from my website hairbyceline.co.uk, including the hot comb wax stick, lace glue, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm just cutting an extra piece of lace that didn't get stuck down and doesn't really need to be there. But please look at that melt. Does it look like I made that mistake in the beginning? No, it does not. No, I'm very happy with this install. Very, very happy. Before I leave, I'm gonna add some water on these just to get the curls. But yeah, we've reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And the glue that I used was my own hair Vaseline glue, which will be launching on my birthday, the 23rd of December. If this video is out before then. Yeah, 23rd of December. And the glue remover. Look at the smoke. Look at it, look at it. Yeah, this is my wax stick. Hair Vaseline. Hair Vaseline. Hair Vaseline. And my wax stick. No, sorry. I'm just looking in the mirror and yeah, I need to go. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. See you again next time.